Hey, my name is Jay, and I'm going to be reciting a poem of mine entitled Typewriter. Never did me any good to sit at this typewriter. Emotions stampeding through me, howling and crying like small cubs in a jungle. Never did me any good to sit at this typewriter. Emotions stampeding through me, just howling and crying, trying to find the words to say, I love you. Never did me any good to sit at this typewriter, emotions stampeding through me, howling and crying like a nursing baby, and maybe that's what it is. I sit and I sit at this typewriter waiting for something to come, rubbing my weary eyes with the balls of my fist while you sit at the foot of the baby's crib, emotions stampeding through you, howling and crying like small cubs in a jungle. And I know all it takes is a good scoop from the writing desk to get a bit closer to you, to our dear son, to our frightening and fretting love. 'Cause things have not been going my way at this typewriter, and I need you here, desperately. I need you here. Thank you.